Are you tired trying to build an online business? Feel like all the hard work you're putting in each night after work is wearing you down? Feel like you want to quit, throw in the towel and give up? I was once there too. I felt like all that hard work wasn't going to get me anywhere. I felt like all the hard work was for nothing, because I wasn't seeing any money being deposited into my bank account. But a small voice in the back of my mind kept telling me to keep pushing, to fight through those frustrations and not to quit. I went through this for 2 years, and fought with my self-limiting beliefs. You don't have to struggle that long if you just focus on 4 things. 1. Focus on building your list. This is the most important aspect to this business. Your goal shouldn't be to make profit. Everyone thinks, I just want to make money, but really your focus should be to build a big list for free. Let me explain what I mean by free. For every dollar you spend on traffic, your goal should be to make that money back. If you can learn to break even, there is a ton of money to be made in the follow-up, once people like and trust you. The bigger your list, the more money you make. The real money is not on the front end of your sales funnel, it's on the back end once you build a relationship and people trust you. Once you can sell someone one product, it's much easier to sell a second, third, fourth, etc. 2. Have a sales funnel in place. For everything you're promoting, you should have a sales funnel built around those products, to sell them when you're not working. Don't do what most people do, just promote a new product to your list every single day of the week. Start with the end in mind and work your way backwards. I design all my funnels this way. I design everything around the end goal. 3. Build strong relationships with your list. You can't take 24/7. People are smarter than you give them credit for. They won't keep reading a pitch every day and opening up your emails. You need to actually focus on helping them, solving their problems and teaching them what you know. For anyone who says if you give away free information you're losing money, to those people I laugh. You can give away everything you know and then combine it all into one product and sell it, and your followers will thank you for it. Help people more than you help yourself, and it will pay off, I promise. Remember this, a business isn't built on one-time customers. It's built on repeat customers. 4. Have lots of conversations. Most people fail in this business because they want to hide behind their computer. Master the art of having conversations and connecting with people. A business deal starts with a conversation and builds rapport. You can make sales sending people to a sales page, but when you talk directly with people, your conversions shoot through the roof. People want to deal with people they trust, so start giving them a reason to trust you. Make yourself available and you will see your income rise. These 4 tips will produce a big income. I wish I'd learned these simple ideas much sooner, because it would have saved me a lot of time and frustration. Would you like to see more videos like this one? Click the subscribe button below.